这次访华正值中丹建交，日前，习近平主席专门向中国丹麦商谈全面战略伙伴关系，也打造了。
Thank you, Minister Wang, for important task this year, being a non-permanent member of the UN Security. And I'm pleased to be back. And we were among the first countries to recognize the People's Republic of China, but our joint history goes back even further to mutually beneficial cooperation, not least decision. And during my last visit, when you and I very much welcomed this opportunity also to take stock on in China, and ever since then we have developed our relationship. I think it's fair to say that Denmark and China have